Are you truly aware of your energy consumption? Do sudden voltage fluctuations surprise you? Wouldn't it be beneficial to know exactly how much energy each of your machines and auxiliary devices consumes? iMAGO is our energy monitoring system, a powerful platform that provides a detailed analysis of energy consumption and assists in resource optimization. In a world where every kilowatt counts, iMAGO enables you to understand, monitor, and truly optimize your company's energy consumption. By installing sensors at strategic locations in your venue, there are no restrictions on the data you can collect. All information is securely transmitted to the cloud to enable advanced analysis. The data is organized into clear and intuitive dashboards accessible from anywhere with your login credentials. Total consumption, detailed breakdown of energy use by departments, comparisons between different machines, and trends in temperature and humidity are just some of the insights you will gain. The benefits of iMAGO go beyond financial savings. You also gain better control over energy consumption, making your business even more environmentally friendly. Know your data, power your future. It's all WITTMANN.